Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game is installed and Steam is running on your account. Once done, close L4d2 so files aren't locked, then go straight to your Steam library. Right-click L4d2 and choose Properties, then the Language tab. This is the control point. You do this because Steam writes the language files into the game folder, so changing it here ensures the engine loads the correct localized text and audio when you next launch the game. Select your target language from the drop-down in Properties and confirm. Steam will begin downloading or switching localized files. Make sure Downloads is active and that any file updates complete. Steam may verify integrity automatically. If Steam doesn't apply the change, you can add a launch option like Language English. Replace English as a fallback, but only use that when Properties fails because the client method is preferred. Let Steam launch L4d2 and inspect the main menu, HUD, and subtitles to confirm the language switch. If you see a mix of languages or missing audio, don't panic. Return to Steam Properties, right arrow Local Files, and run Verify Integrity of Game Files to force a re-download of corrupted or missing language packs. If that still fails, clear Steam's download cache and retry the language selection. This fixes stale data, so Steam can fetch the correct localized files and complete the change.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.